Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to work with matte transitions. Let's begin. So I'm going to choose a matte transition and add it to my composition. When you add a matte transition, this is what you normally get, and you have to double click the transition, then select only the brown layers from top to bottom. This is very important. You have to select layers from top to bottom. Now you have to copy the layers and paste them to your original composition. A quick tip, you can press Tab to navigate to a parent composition. So now that we're in your original composition, you can paste the layers and press left bracket to align the layers to where you want the transition to start. Now you may delete the original transition precomp, and we're almost done. The one last thing that we have to do is to enable track matte. To set a track matte for a layer, you have to click this little button here, and that reveals the track matte options. Here you can set alpha inverted track matte for this transition to work correctly. So now you can see our top layer is getting revealed by our transition. You can also set some settings depending on which transition you've chosen. For example, this one has settings for colors and other things. Now, let's say that your composition is a little bit more complicated. For example, you may have some text layers that you would like to reveal with the transition too. So you have to select the layers you would like to reveal and then pre-compose them. So you can go to Layer and Pre-compose or use the shortcut. You can leave these settings like this. And now you can add your transition as you would before. If you do not want to pre-compose your layers, you can also use the built-in Set Matte effect from After Effects. So let me show you how this one works. I'm going to add a transition. And I'm going to enable the edit layer so we can see better what's going on. Now, what you need to do is open Effects and Presets panel. This panel can be found in the window menu. And search for Set Matte. Now drag the Set Matte to the layer you want to get revealed and open up Effects and Controls panel. This panel can be found in the menu too. Now we can set the input layer to our matte layer. You have to choose the layer beginning with matte and press Invert Matte. Now we should be done, just don't forget to disable the matte layer, and now we can see what's happening. Now you can copy the effect and paste it to your other layers as well, and they will get revealed too. And we're done, so thank you very much for watching this tutorial.